Are you tired of spending endless hours chopping, slicing, and dicing ingredients every time you step into the kitchen? Today we are revealing the ultimate secret to cutting your prep time in half with the best food processors on the market. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which machine belongs on your kitchen counter to make meal prep an absolute breeze. 7. BLACK+DECKER HC150B. When we first unpacked this unit, its incredibly compact footprint caught our attention. It is designed primarily as a one-touch electric chopper, featuring a simple setup that promises to make quick work of your basic kitchen prep. The aesthetic is straightforward and unassuming, fitting easily into any kitchen corner without demanding much real estate on your countertop. During our initial testing, we threw some basic ingredients at it, like quartered onions and peeled garlic cloves. For these simple, light-duty tasks, the bi-level stainless steel blades managed to deliver a surprisingly uniform chop. The one-touch pulse control was responsive, allowing us to roughly gauge the texture of our ingredients as they processed. It certainly beats manually mincing garlic by hand with a chef's knife. However, our optimism quickly faded once we started pushing this machine a bit harder in our test kitchen. The 70-watt motor is severely underpowered when it comes to tackling anything remotely dense or fibrous. When we attempted to process harder items like raw carrots or almonds, the motor audibly struggled and heated up quite fast, leaving us with uneven, chunky results that were far from ideal. Furthermore, it completely misses the mark if you are specifically looking for a large-capacity multifunctional food processor. With only a 1.5 cup capacity work bowl, you will find yourself constantly emptying and reloading the unit just to prep a single meal for a family of 4. This repetitive workflow completely negates the time-saving purpose of using an electric food processor in the first place. While the removable parts are technically dishwasher safe, cleaning the blade assembly requires a bit of caution as food tends to get trapped in the plastic crevices. 6. KOIOS AMJ301. This model attempts to bridge the gap between a standard food processor and a dedicated meat grinder. It features a unique bi-level blade system and comes equipped with a rather substantial glass work bowl. Right out of the box, it feels slightly more robust than your average budget chopper, aiming to provide versatility for a variety of challenging chopping tasks. We started our testing by using it to grind some chuck roast for homemade burgers. The quad blade setup genuinely impressed us during the first few pulses, cutting through the meat relatively quickly. It also handled soft vegetables and herbs with ease, creating decent salsas and dips. The top-mounted motor unit snaps into place intuitively, making the initial assembly quite straightforward for a beginner. Unfortunately, the prominent glass bowl, while heavy and resistant to odors, is a double-edged sword. It is surprisingly weighty and quite slippery when wet, which makes handling it during a busy cooking session feel like a risky juggling act. Moreover, its wide, shallow design means that smaller quantities of food simply get pushed to the edges, spinning around fruitlessly without engaging the blades properly. Our biggest grievance, however, revolves around the motor's endurance during extended prep sessions. It boasts a higher wattage, but the manufacturer strictly warns against running it continuously for more than a few seconds at a time. During our stress tests, we noticed a distinct burning plastic smell when attempting to blend a thicker batch of hummus. This forced downtime between pulses makes the cooking process frustratingly disjointed and slow. Cleaning the KOIOS AMJ301 presents its own set of challenges, specifically concerning the multi-tiered blade shaft. 5. Ganiza GC10-S. This unit represents a significant turning point in our testing, stepping up the game with a durable stainless steel bowl and an upgraded motor protection system. When we unboxed this appliance, we immediately appreciated the modern, sleek look of the metal construction, which felt much more durable and kitchen-ready than its purely plastic counterparts. In action, the Ganiza proved to be a highly capable kitchen assistant across a variety of demanding applications. We tested it with a hearty mix of root vegetables, fibrous celery, and dense cuts of pork. The sharp blades sliced through these tough ingredients with commendable efficiency. The texture of the processed food was remarkably consistent, giving us perfectly minced meat and finely diced veggies that elevated our test recipes to a new level. One of the standout features we absolutely loved while testing this unit is its upgraded safety and thermal protection mechanisms. Unlike the previous models that felt fragile under pressure, the Ganiza GC10-S actively manages its internal heat output. We ran it through several continuous cycles of heavy processing, and it remained surprisingly cool and composed, offering tremendous peace of mind when prepping large feasts. The capacity of the stainless steel bowl is a massive improvement for those who like to meal prep or cook for a family. It holds a generous amount of ingredients, drastically reducing the annoying need to process in multiple small batches. The lightweight nature of the steel bowl also means you can easily transfer your chopped ingredients directly into a hot pan with a single swift motion. When it comes to the cleanup phase, this machine is an absolute dream for busy cooks. 4. SHARDOR OK7510. This food processor stands out by offering specialized attachments that go beyond mere chopping, specifically introducing an emulsifying disc into the mix. Right away, we could tell this machine was designed for the home cook who wants to expand their culinary repertoire without cluttering their cabinets with a dozen different bulky gadgets. To put its multifunctional claims to the true test, we immediately tried out the emulsifying attachment to make a batch of homemade mayonnaise and an airy garlic aioli. The results were absolutely stellar. The machine expertly whipped the oil and egg yolks into a thick, luxurious emulsion in record time. It handled delicate tasks with a level of finesse that we rarely see in processors at this competitive price point. But it is not just about gentle whisking. The SHARDOR OK7510 packs a serious punch when it comes to raw processing power. The intuitive dual-speed controls gave us complete authority over the texture of our food. When chopping dense almonds for baking or roughly dicing tomatoes for a chunky salsa, the motor performed flawlessly, delivering consistent power without any frustrating lagging or stalling mid-chop. We were also thoroughly impressed by the intelligent design of the work bowl and the locking lid mechanism. It locks into place with a satisfying secure click, ensuring there are no messy leaks even when processing highly liquid ingredients. The crystal clear bowl allows you to monitor the consistency of your food perfectly, so you never accidentally turn your crisp vegetables into an unappetizing mush. Maintenance is remarkably straightforward, with all the removable components being top-rack dishwasher safe. Even after rigorous testing with sticky dates and heavy doughs, the machine wiped down beautifully. 3. KitchenAid KFC3516AQ. While it leans towards the smaller side of large-capacity processing, its sheer performance, iconic design, and impeccable build quality earned it a high rank on our list. Pulling this out of the box, you are immediately greeted by that premium KitchenAid aesthetic, complete with a gorgeous color finish that you will actively want to display proudly on your countertop. One of our absolute favorite features discovered during our testing phase was the beautifully integrated drizzle basin located right on the lid. We tested this by making a complex vinaigrette and a thick, creamy pesto sauce. The basin allowed us to slowly incorporate olive oil while the machine was actively running, resulting in perfectly smooth, professionally emulsified dressings that completely blew us away. Do not let its slightly smaller stature fool you. The power hidden inside this beautifully designed unit is incredibly fierce. The uniquely designed stainless steel multi-purpose blade, combined with the two distinct speed settings and pulse operation, gave us surgical precision over our chopping. We effortlessly transformed tough chunks of Parmesan cheese into a fine powder and minced fresh herbs without bruising or tearing them. The bowl size, while labeled as a mini processor, feels incredibly optimized for genuine kitchen workflow. It handles a surprising volume of ingredients for its footprint, making it perfect for daily meal prep tasks without overwhelming your workspace. The handy pour spout and carefully designed handle make it incredibly easy to serve right from the bowl, creating a seamless workflow from the chopping block straight to your dining table or cooking pot. As expected from the KitchenAid brand, the durability and ease of cleaning are absolutely top tier. 2. Hamilton Beach 70725A. If you have ever wrestled with twisting, locking, and aligning a traditional food processor bowl, this machine is going to completely change your life. It features a brilliant stack and snap design that completely eliminates the frustrating guesswork of assembly. You literally just stack the bowl onto the base, snap the lid on, and you are immediately ready to process. This is where true large-capacity performance really shines in our lineup. Boasting a massive 12-cup work bowl, this powerhouse easily handled our most demanding bulk prep scenarios. We loaded it to the brim with ingredients for a giant batch of family-sized coleslaw, and it powered through the entire volume in mere seconds. It is the absolute perfect companion for holiday cooking, meal prepping for the week, or entertaining large groups of guests. The included attachments elevate this machine from a simple chopper to a comprehensive culinary center. The reversible slicing and shredding disc performed exceptionally well in our kitchen tests. We flipped it one way to achieve perfectly uniform slices of cucumber and zucchini, and then reversed it to effortlessly shred thick blocks of cheddar cheese. The incredible versatility it provides makes it an indispensable tool for almost any recipe. We must also highlight the brilliant big mouth feed tube integrated into the lid. This extra wide chute allowed us to drop in whole tomatoes, whole potatoes, and large blocks of cheese without having to painstakingly pre-cut them into smaller pieces. This feature alone saved us a tremendous amount of prep time during our testing, letting the machine do all the heavy lifting while we focused entirely on the cooking. Cleaning a large machine can sometimes be a dreadful chore, but the Hamilton Beach makes it entirely hassle-free. 1. Cuisinart DFP-14BCNY 14 Cup. There is a reason this specific model is heavily revered by professional chefs and serious home cooks alike. From the moment we placed this beautifully crafted brushed stainless steel monolith on our counter, we knew we were dealing with the absolute pinnacle of kitchen appliances. It is quite simply a masterpiece of culinary engineering. The true heart of this incredible machine is a robust, surprisingly whisper-quiet 720-watt motor that simply does not quit. During our most extreme kitchen stress test, we used it to knead a heavy, incredibly dense batch of homemade pizza dough. While other processors would violently shake, rattle, or overheat under the strain, the Cuisinart handled the heavy gluten development with absolute grace, yielding perfectly elastic dough. Its raw, unyielding power is simply unmatched by anything else we tested. The slicing and shredding capabilities are nothing short of absolute culinary perfection. Equipped with a standard stainless steel slicing disc and a medium shredding disc, it transformed our tedious ingredient prep into an effortless art form. The extra-large feed tube easily accommodated whole, large russet potatoes and massive blocks of mozzarella. Every single slice was razor-clean, wonderfully uniform, and precisely cut, ensuring perfectly even cooking times for our gratins and salads. Beyond its jaw-dropping performance, the build quality is spectacularly heavy-duty. The heavily weighted base ensures that the machine remains firmly planted on your countertop, even when tackling the most aggressive blending and dough-kneading tasks. The massive 14-cup Lexan work bowl is virtually shatterproof, brilliantly designed to withstand years of rigorous daily abuse without showing signs of wear, cracking, or clouding. Cleaning this majestic beast is surprisingly simple, with the bowl, cover, and blades all being easily removable and top-rack dishwasher safe.